friends, for most of us, no, hindi naman madali makakuha ng pera eh, okay? So, money is not easy to come by. Tapos, of course, pinagtatrabahuan natin, di ba? And kung meron kang pinag-iipunan, okay, o kaya savings goal, of course, nandun pa rin yung risk na baka hindi mo yun magastos para sa what you're intending it for, okay? Halimbawa, may pinag-iipunan kang siguro down payment for a car, okay? Tapos, may bigla ang gastos, okay? So, madedelay yung pagbili mo ng kotse nun kasi nakain yung napag-ipunan mo for the down payment eh, di ba? Friends, kaya ano talaga ng benefit ng insurance eh, okay? So, hindi lang to for life and health, for other assets din, right? Like yung car, yung property, okay? Insurance kasi mga friends is access to instant money, okay? Ayun na, kasi dahil money is not easy to come by nga, di ba? Kaya, parang paano ba explain? Parang mas relibo rin, or mas konting, na rin, security na kung ano man yung pinag-iipunan natin, eh, mas naitatabi natin yun for yung intention natin for saving, okay? Ayun na, no? Halimbawa nga, may nag-iipon ka for a down payment for a car, okay? O kaya naman siguro, I don't know, a dream vacation in 2 to 3 years time, okay? Yung mga ganun ba? So, yeah, tulad nung health and life insurance, okay? Kung magkasakit mo, hospital, maaksidente, meron tayong access to instant money for that, di ba? Of course, car and property insurance, okay? Maaksidente yung, or maano yung sasakyan, o kaya naman masunog yung bahay, okay, ganyan. Yeah, meron tayong money na nakatabi for that, okay? Kahit na hindi siya nasa savings account natin, kasi ano siya eh, conditional kasi insurance mga friends, di ba? So kung mangyari tong ganito, boom, you have money. Yeah, although for that purpose lang naman, pero familiar tayo na napaka-expensive nga kung mangyari yung ano na yun, no? Kung mangyari yung event na yun, eh, covered tayo. So, ayun na, hindi nagalaw yung kung whatever nga yung pinag-ipunan natin. Okay, mga friends? So, yun lang. Find an agent na you feel like you can trust, no? Okay? Of course, tanong sila, okay? The good ones, you know, they'll try to care for you, okay? Nagsusumikap talaga sila na ma-meet yung needs mo, tapos swak din sa budget mo yung solutions na mo offer na nila sa'yo. Okay, friends? So, yun lang. Insurance is access to instant money. Alright? Find an agent you feel like you can trust, mga friends, no? Alright, mga friends? And if you wanna work with me, click yung link sa bio. Okay? Tapos nandun yung link. It'll lead you to my scheduling page to book a digital appointment. Alright, my friends, thank you for watching, my friends, and next time ulit